Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to go over what I posted today, Monday. It's your toddler journal. It's very similar to the infant journal, but I just wanted to go over it since we're not in class. So if you go to your class period and under classwork, it's under toddler journal. If you click on it, it will open it up. I have made a document for all of you. Looks like somebody already turned it in. So what you are doing is you were supposed to, I told you before we went out for this crazy chaoticness, that you should be observing a toddler and that we were going to be writing a journal. Remember, when you're writing that journal, you want to include one physical, one emotional, one social, and one intellectual milestone. You can use the chapters from our book, or you can use, oh, and I thought I put those on there. The chapters are 10, 11, and 12, or you can use this awesome CDC website, which breaks it down. Here are important milestones, your child by year 1. So you can look at, are they a year, 18 months, 2 years, or 3 years, and look at that. And so here are a list of by age. So this, we're going to stick with the 1-year-old. Social and emotional. So there's your social and emotional. You can pick one social, one emotional. There's pictures and there's films also. Language and communication. Remember, language and communication is all part of that cognitive or intellectual. So you can use the cognitive or the language and communication for your intellectual milestone, and then movement or physical development. So think about the child you watch. So for example, my little niece, I was observing them at my niece's house, and they all wanted to sing and dance to Baby Shark. So the social would be that they are interacting with others, playing games such as peekaboo, same type of thing. They're interacting with each other. The emotional is they were all happy or joyful because they were having so much fun. The language or intellectual would be they were singing along with the song. They may not know all the words, but they were singing along with the song. And then last but not least, the physical movement is they were dancing. They were dancing on the coffee table, if I wanted to be more specific. You can also pull up this print milestone checklist, which if I click on English, it will come up and it lists all of these, which is so awesome because it gives you like so much information. This might be good for you as a parent or somebody who works with children. It's also really good if you have younger siblings. So that website is great. So if we come back to this, the background on the child, just include a sentence or two. So the child I observed was a female. She was 2 years old, or she is 2 years old. And it was at my niece's house. There, I did not reveal any of the confidential information. I just told you about who the child was, a little brief background on the child. The physical milestone that she was achieving was gross motor skills of dancing or bouncing up and down to the video of Baby Shark. Emotional was she was joyful due to the fact that she was interacting with others and she loves Baby Shark. Social interaction, she was singing and interacting with her other cousins that are her same age, and they were singing and telling each other what to do. An intellectual milestone, again, was she was singing. She did not know all the words, but she was singing a good chunk or the majority of the words. That's all I'm asking for. So a sentence or two on background. Tell me a little bit about the child or where you observe the child. A physical milestone, an emotional milestone, a social milestone, and an intellectual. So one sentence for each of those, and then turn this in. Again, remember, this is part of your final. We're trying to chunk it so that you will be prepared and it will be very easy for you when it comes time to write that final paper. Hope you're doing well. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks. Bye.